Happy 14th birthday, Jessica Lynn Original. This is Jessica, and I am so excited to share just one more well wish. I used to watch this show back in the day, so let's go ahead.
Hey Jessica, it's Holly Madison. I wanted to say congratulations on the 14th anniversary team at jessicalynnoriginal.com. I shuffled my tarot deck for you and drew a card, and I got the Queen of Spears, aka the Queen of Wands. This means you're very courageous, passionate, creative, a social butterfly this next year. So I think it's going to be a really great year for you and your business and your social life. And I love this card. It's got Dany from Game of Thrones. So I wish you an amazing 2019. Bye.
God, that was so cool. All right, so thank you so much for watching. If you've never seen our channel before, we are JessicaLynnOriginal.com. We are a rubber stamp company based in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We do clear stamps, custom rubber stamps from your logos, drawings, etc., digital stamps, and more. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.